Okay, some hats to show you guys. This one is my first hat. You can make it with or without a pom-pom.
How many balls?
Just one ball of yarn,
with pom-pom
including
too?
the pom-pom, yeah. So this is done on a size 19 needle. This is what it looks like without a pom-pom. This is polar bear. Here we have apricot. I really love this color.
How easy to make one of these?
Well, very easy. It only uses a knit stitch. It comes in our my first hat kit. It's the easiest kit that we have. This is key lime, very cute if you want something bright for winter. And here we have lilac. So even if you don't know how to knit, you can make this hat. Just watch our video lessons. And this is what it looks like with a pom-pom. You can unroll it a little bit and wear it slouchy. This color is spicy hot pink. And this is butter.
And you have one more pom-pom?
And we have another pom-pom style. So you can see the difference. See, this is more slouchy. And the size of a pom-pom is a little bit smaller. This color is called Midnight. And we have here Iceberg. So this hat uses 2 stitches. It's a little bit longer. And we have a smaller pom-pom or a bigger pom-pom.
How many balls of yarn?
They both take just one ball of yarn. This is easier to make.